Tired of chaos in your Discord server? Let's forge order and power with custom roles. First, you'll need administrative privileges on the Discord server you want to manage. Navigate to your server's page and locate the server name. At the top left, click it to open the server settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select server settings. This will bring up a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. In this panel, find and click on the roles option. On the roles page, you'll see any existing roles. To create a new one, look for the prominent Create Role button, usually located at the top right of the roles list. Click this button to begin. Now, a modal window will appear. Here's where you define your role. First, give your role a descriptive name. Why Euro? Think about what its purpose is. Next, you can assign a color to this role, making it easily identifiable in the member list. Scrolling down, you'll see a comprehensive list of permissions. This is crucial for tailoring what members with this role can do. Carefully review each permission. For example, if you're creating a role for moderators, you might enable kick members or manage channels. If it's for trusted members, perhaps you'll give them mention everyone access. Toggle these permissions on or off based on the responsibilities you want to assign. Once you've set the name, color, and all the necessary permissions, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the modal. Congratulations, you've just created a custom role. To assign this new role to a member, go back to your server settings, click on Members in the left-hand panel, find the member you wish to assign the role to, and click the plus icon next to their name. Select your newly created role from the list, and they'll instantly gain those permissions. Custom roles are your secret weapon for a well-organized and efficiently managed Discord community. Experiment with different permission combinations to create roles that perfectly suit your server's needs.